Here is how to access GPT-4 for free. Before now, for you to have access to GPT-4, you have to be on the paid plan of ChatGPT, which is ChatGPT Plus, and it costs $20 per month. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to access GPT-4 for free. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. So before I go ahead and show you how to access GPT-4 for free, let's quickly look at the difference between ChatGPT and GPT-4. So here you can see that GPT-4 is more general purpose language model that can handle a wide range of tasks, including language transition, chatbot interactions, and content generation. It can process images, has longer memory, it's more accurate than before, and supports multiple languages. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is specifically designed to generate text based on human inputs, making it ideal for chatbots and customer service interactions. GPT-4 is more powerful than ChatGPT. So now that we have gotten that out of the way, let's quickly look at how we can access GPT-4 for free. So to access GPT-4, what you need to do is to come over to your browser and type in chat.forefront.ai. So once you land here, the next thing you're going to do is to quickly sign up to the platform. So you click on sign up, and here it's going to ask you for your first name, your last name, your email address, and your phone number. You can go ahead and fill this manually, but if you have a Gmail account, all you have to do is to click continue with Google, and it's going to pop up your Gmail account, and then you sign in with your Gmail account and you're good to go. So let's quickly do that now. So now I've successfully signed up with my Gmail account, and here, as you can see, welcome YouTube. Let's quickly run through how Forefront works. But because I know how Forefront works, I'm going to just go ahead and click on skip onboarding. But if you don't know how Forefront works, you can, on your own spare time, you can just go ahead and run through how Forefront works to understand it better. But for the purpose of this tutorial, let's quickly jump into what brought us here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on skip onboarding. I'm going to skip classes. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to choose our personas. Now, this is who you're going to be chatting as. Okay, so you can choose productivity, wellness, you have long lists of history, you have celebrities, and so on and so forth. But I'm going to create my own persona. I like creating mine, right? So what I need to do to create my own persona is to just come here and click on create persona. Now it's going to ask me to give it a name, so I'm going to go ahead and write 7-figure boss here. So now I have 7-figure boss written as a name, and I'm going to go ahead and click on create. So now our persona has been created, and to edit it, all you have to do is to click on here. You can edit anything. You can edit the name. You can also change the picture. So if I click on new avatar, it's going to generate a new avatar for us. Just in case you don't like the first version that it provided before, you can go ahead and switch to a new avatar. So it's going to randomly generate another avatar. So here you can see customize persona instructions. Optionally override how this persona will behave. Setting this will replace the default instructions. You can go back to the default instructions by turning this off. So if you turn it on, you can give it a different instruction to act differently or what it's supposed to act as. So just be careful while using this so that you don't mess up all your responses from GPT-4. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel this without updating it because I don't have any reason to change what I've already gotten. So I'm going to click on cancel, and now we have our GPT-4 ready for us to chat with. So go ahead and sign up with this platform to get access to GPT-4 for free. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do an in-depth tutorial on how to use GPT-4, or maybe you need GPT-4 prompts. Let me know in the comment section and I'll be right there for you. And I've prepared this playlist here so that you can understand everything that you need to know about ChatGPT and GPT-4. Go ahead and click this playlist now to watch the videos and thank me later. See you on the other side.